Bollywood actor Kiara Advani turned a year older today, and her friends from the Bollywood industry have showered her with wishes and love. Actress Alia Bhatt shared a monochrome picture of Kiara and penned a beautiful note. She wrote, "Dearest Kiara, your talent and energy light up the world. Here's to a happy birthday." Actress Kareena Kapoor Khan, who shared screen space with Kiara in Good News, wished the birthday girl with an adorable note. She wrote, "Happy birthday dear Kiara. May only good news come your way." Actor Siddharth Malhotra took to his Instagram stories to wish her alleged girlfriend Kiara. He wrote, "Happy birthday sunshine girl, big love and hug." Actor Shahid Kapoor, who shared screen space with Kiara in movie Kabir Singh, took to Instagram stories and wrote a Kabir Singh birthday wish for Kiara. Sharing a still from the film, and alongside, Shahid wrote, "Happy birthday Preeti, Kabir's wishes for you, कि तुझे कभी कोई टच ना करे." On the work front, Kiara will next be seen in Bhool Bhulaiyaa 2. Actress Ankita Lokhande, ex-girlfriend of Sushant Singh Rajput, had reportedly informed Bihar police that the late actor was quite unhappy because Riya Chakravarti harassed him. Ankita made her claim while she was visiting Sushant's family in Patna. A report in News18.com stated. According to the website, Ankita told the police that through a chat around the time of release of her Bollywood debut film Manikarnika, the Queen of Jhansi in 2019, Sushant mentioned being harassed by his then girlfriend Riya. A report in DNAindia.com corroborated the news, saying a source had informed the website that according to Ankita, Sushant had told her that he is quite unhappy in the relationship and wants to end it as Riya harassed him. The News18.com report further stated that Ankita's above-mentioned chat with Sushant was shared with the police at that time. Sushant dated Ankita, his co-star of the hit TV series Pavitra Rishta, for almost 6 years, after which they parted ways. After Sushant's demise in June, Ankita had visited the actor's family when they were in Mumbai to perform his last rites. During her visit to Patna later, Ankita had reportedly shown the above-mentioned chats to Sushant's sister Shweta Singh Kirti. On Tuesday, it came to light that Sushant's father KK Singh had filed an FIR at the Rajiv Nagar police station in Patna, accusing 6 people, including his girlfriend Riya, for abetment to suicide. On Wednesday, Ankita took to social media to share a cryptic post. The actress tweeted an image that reads, "Truth wins" on her verified account. Actress Rakul Preet Singh had an intense session of golf on Thursday. Taking to Instagram, the actress posted several videos and pictures from her sporting activity. In one of the clips where Rakul tries her hand at teeing off, she wears a pink polo t-shirt. After her golf session, she also posted a selfie in which she seems visibly tired. And death after playing 18 holes 5 hours in the heat. That's what staying indoors for so many months has done to me, she captioned the image. Coming up for Rakul Preet is a rom-com co-starring Arjun Kapoor. Bollywood superstar Amir Khan's daughter Ira Khan keeps sharing tidbits from her day-to-day life on social media. Ira on Thursday has shared her various stages of work from home in a new post on social media. She took to Instagram, where she shared a string of pictures of herself. Working from home, enthusiastic working, you start to sprawl, you get confused, you get worried, you start to give up, you stretch, you smile, you pose, peace out, Ira captioned the post. Ira is Amir's daughter with his first wife Reena Datta. Actor Abhishek Bachchan is currently in the hospital receiving treatment for COVID-19. The Guru actor on Friday shared a glimpse of his late-night walk inside the hospital. Abhishek took to Instagram to share the picture. He captioned the post, "Light at the end of the tunnel." Big B is also being treated for COVID-19 in hospital, while his daughter-in-law Aishwarya and granddaughter Aradhya have been discharged after testing negative for the virus. Actor Bobby Deol's upcoming web show Ashram first look teaser is out now. Bobby took to Instagram to share the news. He captioned the post, "Here is the first look of Ashram. I am looking forward to seeing it together with you all on August 28, 2020. The web show is directed by ace director Prakash Jha. It will stream on MX Player. Bobby's look in the web show has received a thumbs up from fans. Actress Shilpa Shetty-Kundra is one of the most loved actresses of Bollywood. Shilpa recently stepped out in the city and was spotted post-salon session. The actress looked beautiful in blue dress. She was also seen wearing gloves and mask. On the acting front, Shilpa will next be seen in Hangama 2 and Nikamma.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.